In this video, I am going to show you how we can configure EIGRP v6 on Cisco routers. So here is my topology. So on router to router, we have this IPv6 test 2001 DB80 colon 12 colon slash 64. And on LAN side, we have 2001 DB81 colon 1 slash 64. And on 2000, on this side, 2.2 slash 64. So both the PCs are pinging to the default gateway, as you can see here. So this is the IP address of R1. So both the IP are pinging the default gateway but not pinging each other. So we have to configure the IPv6 routing. So first of all, the first command is IPv6 unicast routing that is to be enabled globally. Then we have to go to the interfaces, IPv6 EIGRP and autonomous system. So we don't need to specify any network command or wildcard mask. Just we have to give the single command in the interface portion of interface IPv6 EIGRP 100. Also, we need to specify a router ID. Router ID should be IPv4 address. And we have to give a no shutdown command so to initialize the process. In IPv4, we don't need to give the no shutdown command, but in IPv6, we need to give the no shutdown command. So same configuration will be on other router. Make sure that you use the same autonomous system number. IPv6 unicast routing. Go to the interfaces. IPv6 EIGRP 100. IPv6 router EIGRP 100. EIGRP router ID. And then the no shutdown. So as you can see that the neighborship has come up and it is connecting via a link local address, not by next hop address, which is used in EIGRP. So we show IPv6 root command. You can see here this dual algorithm is in working, and this is learning the root. This is the AD, and this is the metric via link local address, and this is the interface. You can also view the interfaces that are participating in EIGRP, and you can view the neighbor details and the topology details. So let's verify once again if we can ping this PC from this PC. IP address 2001 DBA2 colon 2 colon 2. So it's pinging, it means that our configuration is correct. So in this way, you can configure EIGRP v6 on Cisco router. Thanks for watching.